It finally came. What finally came? I'm glad you asked. This is my order from VGP. It's all Nintendo Switch games, pretty much all indie games, and I've been looking forward to this. Thanks for joining me while I unbox it. Not going to have any gameplay on this today. This is just kind of a sneak peek at exciting stuff that I'll be reviewing in the near future. Maybe I should have done some clickbait title or something. 15 Switch games you won't believe number 12. Yeah, right. That's not my style. Godstrike, bullet hell shooter. This is very metal sort of styling. I really liked the hardcore action vibes that it gave. Mariokart, everybody's favorite, but this one's different. This one has the downloadable content on the cartridge. On the cartridge for physical collectors. That's huge. So I bought those two Mario Karts to stash away for my kids, and we play the digital downloaded DLC. Pepper Grinder, kind of a cool twist on the action platformer. It's 2D, but instead of jumping on the platforms, you drill through them. Really a fun gameplay they have there. Unsouled, kind of a top-down hack and slash, lots of knights and swords, very retro pixel art style. Does Super Monkeyball even need an introduction? I mean, it's Sega, it's not an indie title. There are at least 3 Super Monkeyball games on the Switch. This is just one of them. This was a new one on me. Tandem, where you play as a fairly uncanny looking character with a teddy bear, and you switch between the girl's view and the teddy bear's view to explore a creepy old house and solve some puzzles. They Always Run, a 2D action platformer that has a lot of Prince of Persia vibes and a lot of cyberpunk style. I thought that was a really interesting mix, so I picked it up. Next up, Wonder Boy Asha in Monster World, a spin-off from the Wonder Boy series, 2D action platformer. Reminded me a lot of Shantae, except more appropriate for the age of my kids, so maybe more fun to play as a family. Cool, a couple more to go here. Thanks for hanging in there with me. I was struck by the visual style of Genesis Noir, so I had to give it a try. It's sold as a, quote, non-traditional point-and-click adventure, end quote. Seems to be a cosmic mystery sort of storyline with some puzzles and adventure and lots of twists and turns. Dariusburst, another Chronicle EX Plus. I like side-scrolling shoot-em-ups, and this gave me some R-type vibes. And then on the other hand, we have a cute-em-up. This is a re-release of a very old Japanese game, and it's the shortest game that I bought. It's only about 45 minutes long, but there is replay value to it. Nuclear Blaze, a 2D action platformer where you're putting out fires and exploring a mystery facility with some very cool storytelling elements to it. I don't want to spoil. Earthnight, yet another 2D action platformer with some very fun fantasy elements to it. There's like space dragons and stuff. It had my attention at space dragons. Male Mole, a 3D platformer that gave me some Super Mario 3D World vibes. What I saw in the trailers looked very polished and fun, and so I couldn't wait to give it a try. And then there's Metaloid Origin, very much a Mega Man inspired sort of game. Kind of reminds me of the Mega Man X days, and I'm a fan of Mega Man X. And that's all the games. Thanks for watching. Make sure you sub up so that when I review the games, it pops up on your feed.